Lives can be altered in an instant, as in the case of this poem, due to a blow to the head as a result of an accident. When I was a teenager, I played in the local brass band where my father was bandmaster. One of my older fellow musicians was a first-rate welder, as was his daughter, and he used to patch up some of the more ancient instruments, including his own. Solder. He could have written in solder, his daughter too, even at 8, her eyes unerringly following the line, lava slow, as it curved along the crack in the euphonium bell. Her hand moved in time with his, ghosting, each stop and start, perfect as ballet. They both stood back when it was set. He, you could see, reading an invisible stave, the promise of a phrase heard properly for the first time in years. I took a chance and played it once or twice, in secret, not from fear of what he'd say, but a strange shame for something not my fault, that after his accident, that thin scar on his brow mirrored a greater deep within, and the instrument, mellow for me, became its old cracked self for him. No one dared challenge his claim to play, or said a word about the gap between the note and where it should be. Never mention of the faltering fingers. I was too young. Then I began to understand, too late, that of all the sounds we made, between them alone, scarred bell and brain, a millisecond slow, was perfect sympathy.